Today's recipe is an extra crispy spicy chicken sandwich. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarish. The recipe I show you in this video contains a special ingredient that gives you the crunchiest deep fried chicken you ever had. I use 250 grams chicken tenderloin, corn flour for coating. If you don't have it, just use all-purpose flour. But the corn flour gives your chicken a better texture and also make it gluten-free. We also need 3 medium-sized eggs. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper for the heat, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoons oil. For the sandwich we also need a brioche bun, pickled cucumber, lettuce, tomato and onion. I also show you a homemade sweet drink that matched this spicy food at the end of the video. And the secret ingredient for the ultimate crunch is sugar-free cornflakes. Let's start with the marinade. Mix the oil and all spices in a bowl. Add the tenderloin in the marinade and let them stay for at least 30 minutes. But you can also marinate it overnight. When I work with chicken, I use a plastic cutting board. I can easily clean it with a stronger cleanser or put it in a dishwasher. You should notice that chicken contains salmonella and you need to clean the knife and the cutting board well after using. After 30 minutes the chicken is marinated and we need to flatten them. To flatten the chicken I use a plastic bag to avoid splashing its juice around. I just use the side of the knife and gently press the tenderloins in the thickness I want them to be. Not too flat, not too thick. Crack the eggs in a bowl, whisk them with 2 tablespoons of salt. Coat the tenderloins first with the corn flour, then with the egg, and then with the cornflakes. I tried to do this in a plate for this video, but then I decided to use my old approach, using a baking paper. It makes very easy to coat the chicken without making a mess. You can crush the cornflakes a little bit for better coating. Preheat the oil in a deep pan up to 375 Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken until they're golden brown and crunchy. Now it's time to prepare the rest of the ingredients for the sandwich. Cut the bun and slice the freshies. Spread a little bit mayonnaise on the bun to give the sandwich creaminess and moisture. Just look at this crunch. And your sandwich is done. When I have the sandwich, I make a lemonade with my own homemade elderflower syrup. Ice, slice of lime, syrup, and sparkling water. And that's it. When in the summer the time for the elderflowers comes, I will make a video to show you how to make this amazing syrup that you can keep in your fridge for more than a year. Just subscribe and stay tuned to not miss it. If you like the video, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.